Okay, after completion of data types of Oracle, so once again I will review SQL and PLSQL and what are the differences between SQL and PLSQL. So these things we are going to discuss once again. So actually, as we have discussed in last class, SQL is a ANSI standard language. ANSI standard language. ANSI standard language. So the purpose of SQL is to communicate with DB server, database server, and so SQL is the combination of what? Objects plus SQL is a combination or collection of what? Operators plus objects plus something like queries, subqueries, joins. So they comes under concepts like this. So the main purpose of SQL is to communicate with the database server. So the standards of SQL has been provided by ANSI. So it is an ANSI standard language. So SQL internally it is a collection of these many objects, like it is a collection of operators, objects plus concepts, and also we can write functions. So what is the concept, what is the object, what is the function? In the forthcoming classes we will discuss in detail. Okay, just for now, just you remember that SQL is especially meant for communicating with the database server, in which cases SQL can be used. Okay, especially for communicating with the database server. In the last class I have shown diagrammatically in the last session. So SQL is a collection of these, means operators plus objects plus concepts plus functions. In the last session we also discussed the sublanguages of SQL. Okay, now we are going to see SQL functionalities, what it is going to do. So it is going to offer, it is going to services like data insertion, second one updation, creation of objects, insertion of data, updation of data, objects. Fourth one, creation of data and granting privileges. Fifth one, transaction control. So yeah, these are the services provided by SQL. So we can say that Oracle is going to have mainly two parts. First part of Oracle is what? SQL. Second part of Oracle is what? Rest part, half of the part is called as PL SQL. So already we have discussed SQL is a combination of what? SQL is a combination of objects, concepts. So what are the objects here? Objects are nothing but what? Some built-in objects like table, view, index, synonym, sequence. So these are the examples for objects. Okay, how we are going to create the structure for objects? we will discuss in the forthcoming classes. So concepts just like these are what? Concepts are used for writing queries, joins, and we can also say classes. Classes, these are for, like these are using the classes in Oracle, like order by class, distinct class, and when coming to PLSQL, so it is, we can say the combination of PL features, programming language features. PLSQL is also having objects. Objects like triggers, functions. So all the triggers and functions are defined by, created by users. That is why PLSQL is going to offer only user defined objects. Okay, under user defined objects we can say triggers, functions, procedures, packages. So these objects will be coming under user defined, user created objects. Next, under PLSQL we can say we can have all SQL features also. Like in PLSQL we can make use of built-in objects. Okay, so like this Oracle is going to be divided into two categories. One is SQL and PLSQL. Actually PLSQL means here we are going to cover, we can say it as extension of Oracle. Extension of SQL, not Oracle, extension of SQL. That means the things which we cannot cover in SQL, so those things we are going to cover in PLSQL. Okay, so PLSQL is actually it is extension of SQL. In PLSQL we are going to have programming language features like loops, go to statement and case. Okay, so varchar2, nested tables, and something like what object tables. All the features we are going to have in PLSQL. Okay, so this is a brief description of Oracle. In Oracle mainly we are going to have SQL and PLSQL.